Hi, my beautiful angelic beauties, and to the world out there. Today I'm going to do part 2 of my coloring of the hair. So this is the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this detangleizer right here, Creme de la Creme. And it's a detangleizer, a leave-in conditioner. So Mama is all natural and she's thick, so all the help she can get. So also for my creme de la creme, I'm going to be using this coconut milk, and this one is for just the conditioner. And I put both of them in my hair because one holds and the other one just makes sure once I'm combing it out, my hair eats it. So yeah. All right, and then I'm going to have my shabam, and that's to clean up any excess. My kids don't need this blanket anymore. They have 50 billion. So bam, I'm going to use this to cover myself and to protect my gray shirt. Thank you, honey bunny. Oh, I'm not going to say nothing. That's my hubby. He got me some food. So I'm going to eat and put this box dye in. Because 45 minutes sitting down and starving ain't working for this girl. Okay? All right. So this is the box dye I'm going to be doing, guys. And you see this? This is going to be me. I went from thinking about auburn to red. I think I look good as a redhead. Well, we're going to find out. So, and then we're going to have the phone as a timer to make sure Mama actually is on time. So, guys, I'm going to get back to y'all, and we're going to make this red. So, if y'all haven't been to this channel and this is the first time you're here, thank you for watching this far. And if you like what you see and you really, really like me, please click the like button. And if you have any suggestion or you think there's a color out there that actually looks beautiful for this chocolate of a queen, then please hit a sister up. Let a girl know, okay? Because I'm open. This year is the year of change. Slowly, but I'm getting there. I can't change all at once or else it won't be permanent changes. So I do small changes to build up to the big changes so it could be permanent changes. And do y'all like the nails? I did it myself. And no, I have no makeup on, not even my glosses today. No, because I'm going to be taking a shower and doing all this so I can look cute and sexy, and then going in and then getting it melted off and then coming back flawless. I just want to look flawless and snatched. So I'm going to start reading the directions and putting all this together, and then I'll be back. All right? And I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to fast forward through this so y'all don't have to hear me ramble. And if there's anything significant that y'all need to know, then I'll let you know. And the reason why I bought this one is because you see this red one, these red letters here? It says no bleach kit. So you know what that means? Temporary. I am not committing. I commit to my hubby. That's all the commitment I need right now. Okay? So I can't commit to a color. Not yet. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So we're courtshipping here. Okay? So. All right. Be back in a few. Okay, guys. So I read the instructions. I watched the tutorial. So they told me to part my hair, put Vaseline or whatever to protect my scalp and my inner ear and stuff like that, like I would be doing a relaxer. And then they told me to then shake it very well, cut the top, and start applying it in small sections. Do my scalp last, and then put it in a bag, which that's what I'm gonna go grab real quick. And then you can watch me get started. All right. All right, guys. Wish me luck. This takes about an hour and 15 minutes for my hair, so I'm going to wash it out and then show y'all the end result. And then I'm going to do a second part to this after the end results, and I'm going to show you how I look flawless and snatch back perfection. And yes, red with this brown, luscious chocolate, beautiful queen. Like, it looks great even on my hands. Like, really? And then with my nails, oh well, killed this one. But yeah, I can't wait to show y'all the end results. So yay. I colored my hair, and yes. Let's just say I never learned how to color inside the box. I was always a scribble scrabber everywhere. All right. See y'all in a few minutes. Technically, it's going to be a few minutes for y'all. It's going to be an hour 15 minutes for me. So I'll be right back. So guys, I wanted to show you the final result in the sun. It looked like my hair did not take once again. Well, it took ish. But my gray hairs, you can tell it's it took. So I have no more grays. My grays are red. So, you know, but I'm going to go to the salon and I'm going to fix this afro and make it straight so it could be flawless. All right. Be back in a minute. Hey guys, I'm just here at the salon and see, it took, but it is what it is. There's no way around it. So just here, gonna get my hair wrapped up. I just want to show y'all the final result. So this is what happens when you're not ready to commit. So it shows, it just doesn't show. All right.